Did you know there are billions of dollars just sitting in the IRS waiting to be claimed? If you missed out on your stimulus check, it's not too late. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to find out if you're owed money and how to claim it before time runs out. Hi everyone. Today we're talking about something incredibly important: unclaimed IRS stimulus checks. If you think you might have missed out on one, or even if you're not sure, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to check if you're owed money, how to claim it, and why it's crucial to act fast. Why you should care. Build curiosity. Did you know that thousands of people across the country never received their stimulus checks? Some because of errors, others because of missing information, and some because they didn't even realize they qualified. Whether it's $600, $200, or even more, that money belongs to you, and I'm going to guide you through the steps to get it. Step 1. Who might have missed their stimulus check? First, let's talk about who might have missed out. Here are some common reasons. You didn't file taxes for 2019 or 2020 because your income was too low. You recently moved and the IRS doesn't have your updated address. There was an issue with your banking information. You're a dependent who became independent during the stimulus check period. You're part of a group that often gets overlooked, like non-filers or people without internet access. If any of these apply to you, or if you're just not sure, stay with me, because you could still get that money. Step 2. How to check if you're owed a stimulus check. Now let's talk about how to find out if you're owed money. The IRS has a tool called the Get My Payment Tracker on their website. Here's how you can use it. Go to irs.gov and search for Get My Payment. Enter your social security number, date of birth, and mailing address. The tool will tell you if a payment was issued and where it was sent. If the tool shows that your payment wasn't sent, or it went to the wrong place, don't worry, we'll fix that in the next step. Step 3. How to claim your missing stimulus check. If you didn't get your money, you'll need to claim it as a Recovery Rebate Credit on your tax return. Even if you don't normally file taxes, this is how you can get your stimulus check. Step 1. File a 2023 tax return. Yes, even if you have no income. Step 2. Use the Recovery Rebate Credit section to report the amount you're owed. Step 3. Submit the return electronically for faster processing. There are many free filing options available on the IRS website if you don't want to pay for tax software. Step 4. The deadline is approaching now. Here's the catch. You can only claim your unclaimed stimulus money for a limited time. The IRS has deadlines for claiming these payments, so don't wait. If you miss the window, that money will go back to the government and you won't be able to get it anymore. If you're watching this video months or years after the stimulus payments were first issued, check the IRS website to see if the deadline still applies to you. Step 5. Be careful of scams. One last tip before we wrap up. Be cautious of scams. The IRS will never call or email you asking for your personal information. If you need help, go directly to irs.gov or consult a trusted tax professional. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to claiming your unclaimed IRS stimulus check. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might also need to hear this. Don't leave free money on the table. For more tips to help you navigate your finances. Thanks for watching, and good luck claiming your money.